guys, we're back. So I have a video here. I have new video. I mean I have new song. So here, yes. Let's play Blackfruit.
And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. At least do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do this what I do, and I hope you let me in, let me in. Yeah.
Oh shoot! Wait guys, wait. Oh my god, my song, bro! What happened? My song, bro. Wait, guys, wait. Wait. So I have my friend here. We are going to do a raid. So here, wait, guys. Let's get it back. What the freak, bro? There, yeah. Wait. Yeah. I'll join you, bro. I'll join you. Huh? I'll join you.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act. Head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong. Always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best. Die with no regrets. Live with every breath. See my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams. Then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems. Try to find out what it means. Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all the songs.
So if you're done raid, we're gonna do CB's hunting, guys. So let me show my face.
Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do this what I do, and I hope you
So wait. This is the wrong one. Here, let's show our face. Hello, guys. So yeah. Let me play this one.
I'm stable. So playful. You know me. I have only the best. I'm lonely. But damn, I'm going.
Oh, wait.
The real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the best. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't
Bro,
never
you cannot buy that, bro.
working at.
You're still lacking levels. Wait. What the? Where's my song? Bro. Where's my song? Bro. Oh, here is his. You've joined Rip Kitsune. So he's my friend. Oh shit. Oh, sorry guys. So yeah, I have 4 million belly. So this is my alt account. Let's go. Yeah, right there. Yeah, guys. Yeah. So amazing, bro. No, bro. Yeah, bro. Let's go. Let's do this, bro. Okay. So always remember, like the video and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, guys. So here, I will show a part 2 of my CB's hunting after this. So yeah, let's first do a raid. Oh, I'm not gonna finish this raid because I'm not too much powerful. Ouch! Yo, he's fighting me. Bro. Bro, I'm lagging. Bro. Bro. Hey yo. Hey yo, par. Wait. Wow. I got him. Ouch. Where is him? Ouch. Ooh, that hurts. Wait, let me reset. Let me cook. Wait. Oh. Bro. Just kill me, bro. It's so annoying, bro. My friend is waiting. This girl is so annoying, bro. You're just doing a raid, bro. Just get out of here, bro. Get out of here, bro. Stay away from me. Go, wait. I'm gonna get fast mode because I'm lagging in mobile. Okay. So let's get another chip. Yeah. What raid? Ice. Okay. Oh, wait. So guys, like the video and comment below your username because I'm giving away Perm Kitsune. To give away Perm Kitsune, guys. No scam. So yeah, I'm giving away Perm Kitsune. So like the video and comment your username and tell me your password. Yeah. So yeah. We're here, guys. We're here. Okay, guys. Ayoko na mag-English. Pagod na ako. Tagalog lang muna. Ba't ba ako naglalag? Wait lang, boy. Reset ka muna. Wait lang, par. Ba't kasi ako naglalag? Ow! Ba't kasi ako naglalag, par? Wait lang, par. Sige, par. Aray, boy. Par, wait lang, par. Wait lang. Aray ko, par. Wait lang nga, par. Alis muna ako, par. Naglalag talaga ako, par. Wala ko dyan. Naglalag ako, guys.
Ako na lang mag-isa dito.
Kaya mo yan. Oh, look at that, guys. He's raiding, guys. Nagre-raid siya. Ayun ako. Namatay. Ibahin ko lang settings. Wait lang. Hindi pala settings.
Papaubos oras na lang ako.
Sige.
Makakuha
yan.
pa rin ba ako dito?
Oo, makakuha ka pa rin naman yan. 180. 180. Yan, guys. Wait lang, bayin ko lang ko para hindi mag-lag. Hindi mo na ako makapag-chat. Ayusin ko yung chat ko dito. Ayan, wait lang, guys. Ayan, guys. Ako kaya yung yung main account. Main account ko, kaya? Pakita ko kaya sa kanila, ba? Pakita ko ba?
Yung main account.
Yung main account ko. Yung Rip Beacon.
Main account mo ba yan?
Oo.
Ay, yung pinaka-account mo?
Oh, Max Noy. Wait.
Hirap pag
Oh! Not this one, bro. I think privacy and control. Privacy. Oh yeah, oh. Notification. Ito. Dito. Ano guys? Ba't ganun? Subscription. Notification. Huh? Security. Huh? Wait lang guys. Security. This device preference. Ano ba yan?
Bakit kita na kailangan?
Wait lang guys. Aray ko. Subscription.
Tagal pa na ito. Uy, roll ka na.
Wait lang. Wait lang nga. Saan na ba yun? Yung hindi makapag-text. Privacy yun eh.
Ano ba yan?
Privacy. Communication. No one. Yan. So yeah, communication. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Let's go. We're okay now. Boy, okay na? Pamatay ka na. Okay lang yan. Kay tulong ka, progress. Pamatay ka na. Roll tayo pro. Gusto mo? Kitsune o raid? Dadrop yun sa'yo. Ano gusto mo? Kitsune o raid?
Una ako dito.
So yan guys. Wait lang guys ha. End ko muna dito yung video. Lalagyan ko lang ng part 2. Yan. Bye!